teachers, and students. We are all gathered here today to celebrate our nation's 72nd Republic Day. This event is of importance because on this day, the Constitution came into force. It took 2 years and 11 months to form our Constitution. Republic Day reminds us about our struggle and how the Indian National Congress, with the help of youth, achieved their demand of Purna Swaraj. The struggle for freedom was based on high principles and ideas such as non-violence, cooperation, and non-discrimination. It also signifies the right spirit of independent and individual India. Keeping in mind the values that are enshrined in our Constitution, let us all celebrate this day with great zeal and grandeur and hope to scale our nation to greater heights. Let us now all join in for a hymn and a prayer to the nation. Students are requested to take up their calendars to page 23 for the prayer and page 25 for the hymn.
Prayer for the nation. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पर हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना
न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण। फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन।
अपनी करुणा का जलदू बहाकर कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पर हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर न होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पर हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
स्कूल सावधान। स्कूल एक साथ सामने सैल्यूट। स्कूल एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर। अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलसित रंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाए तव जय गाता, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। स्कूल विश्राम।
Respected teachers, my dear students and parents, it is a privilege for me to address you today. Today is the 72nd Republic Day, a great day for us Indians, because we all know our country has been of a lot of importance right from the beginning. It's been contributing to the world, to civilization for centuries. It is our country which gave the zero to the world. It is our country that is a beacon for the world. But, my dear students, today there is an air of dissatisfaction among our people. Our country is beset with many evils common to all of y'all. You know, we have communalism, fanaticism, starvation deaths, shortage of drinking water, shortage of housing, border disputes, water disputes. There is violence against women, there is child labor, and there is child abuse. All these evils make up today a country with some dissatisfaction. But there is hope. Today we are at a stage where we can improve the situation simply because we are aware of these evils. How do you go about it? You can't say, oh, we are so tiny. We can't blame our government. We can't blame the system. We are also responsible in some measure. But whatever age we are, since we are living in this day and age, we can do our bit to make man free and happy. What can we do to eliminate some of these evils? Have hope. Be bold. Be restless. Look forward, march forward, because you can make it a better world. But the path is not impossible. It is hard, yes, but it is not impossible. Well, what would you do? Teachers, students, parents, begin with yourself. First of all, have faith, have hope. That's what Republic Day is all about. A hope for a fantastic future. But it doesn't happen by itself. We can begin in our own way. Because the first thing is we are aware already. So let's fight our own evils. Those evils live within us. Anger, distrust, discrimination on the basis of color, caste, creed. Let's remove some of these things. Disease, ill feeling. If we start working towards a common goal, work towards having respect and respect the dignity of others. Let's respect the culture of our people. Let's respect the culture of our country. That would be a start. Other things that you can do is, remember, we will agree and we will disagree. The method is, we have to agree to disagree peacefully. Be more tolerant. Don't look for discrimination. I told you, we suffer from that because this is a vast country with so many religions. Religions for us also mean caste. Alright? Also mean gender. And our country, for some reason, looks down upon women and children as a weaker gender. And therefore, they take advantage. A lot of people take advantage. But today, we know we have power. The beautiful songs your teachers sang for you today tell you about the Shakti, the strength we have. Let's be tolerant towards everyone. And let us remember that India is my country, India is your country. Let's save it. Jai Hind. Thank you for your attention.
Never get tired of doing little things for others. Sometimes, those little things occupy the biggest part of their lives. What makes your day beautiful? What do you think about when you go to bed at night? Do you smile looking back at something that happened during the day? It might be a small thing, and that's where the beauty lies. Good morning to one and all. I would like to say a few words on my concept of values in today's world, about small things that direct our lives. How important are little things? The unnoticed things are the lifeblood of the world. In a great building, we think of the marble and the stone, the cedar and the iron. But who thinks of the mortar and the nails? And yet, in the architecture, mortar and nails are as important as pillars and columns and beams. Thus is the architecture of the world. But wait, what does that mean? Do we take time to count our blessings? We possess so many blessings in all our lives, and yet, most of the times, we fail to notice them. We don't recognize them properly, forget them, or simply take them for granted. Great things are made up of little things. How? Show your family that you appreciate them.
Don't be afraid to tell them that you love them, and always be there for them when they need you. Somebody might not have the family that you might take for granted today. Show gratitude towards your teachers. Thank them for all that they do for you. Show your friends that you appreciate them. Greet people with a warm smile. It costs nothing. A simple thank you and sorry goes a long way. These gestures seem little but occupy a big space in all of our lives. These are small and often unexpected pleasures in life that can make us smile each and every day to help us build happier and more meaningful lives for ourselves as well as for others around us. I would like to conclude by leaving you with a thought. The most beautiful things in life are not things. They are people and places, memories and pictures. They are feelings and moments and smiles and laughter. Sometimes these things take up the most room in our lives. Thank you.
To place our hearty thanks to our principal for her support and guidance. I also wish to express my gratitude to Sir Eldridge for hosting this program. I'm also very grateful to Ma'am Anika for the knowledgeable speech. A big thank you to our singing committee. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our students and each and every one for being present for the program. Thank you for being with us. God bless you.